Hey guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So this is day 2 MCQ that we are here up for it. But before that, before we go on to the solution of the MCQ, I would like to say, guys, please show some energy in terms of responding to the MCQ, in terms of sharing these videos with all your friends. Please do hit the like button यार. अगर आप लोगों की एनर्जी ऐसे लो रहने वाली है, then how will I get the energy? Right? If you people are going to be so dull, because you people are the source of my energy, right? So please have some Bonvita, have some protein shake to get the required energy, and request all of you to please subscribe to the channel and share with all your friends, and do hit the like button. I'm putting in so much efforts for you people, only providing this content free of cost, right? I also have an opportunity cost, so please pay this way at least. Okay, so this was another MCQ, and if you haven't answered the MCQ, then I will say please go to the community tab of our YouTube channel, of this YouTube channel, KSC Teaching. There you will find all the MCQs. Okay, the MCQ is again related to what? It is again related to working capital only, because I am going one by one chapter, right? So this is again related to the working capital requirement. Annual credit sales are given 19,50,000, cash sale is given 150, debtors are given 160, bills receivable are given 1 lakh, finished goods 122. Calculate the collection period. Now collection period is related to what? Obviously it is related to your debtors, right? Then how will you calculate the debtors collection period? The debtors collection period is average debtors, right, divided by credit sales per day, right? Now in this case you have to be careful with one thing. If the average debtors are not available, then you can take whatever the debtors are given, or the closing debtors we can say that are given, right? So what are the debtors in this case? In this case your debtors is 1,60,000 plus 1 lakh, because bills receivable is also your debtor, divided by credit sale per day. What is the credit sale? Total credit sale in the year is 19,50,000 divided by number of days in a year, that is to be taken as 360, right? So the answer will come out to, if you solve this, the answer will come out to 48 days. This is after rounding off. The answer will be 47.9 something days, right? So if you exactly calculate it, it will come out to 48 days. Rounding off is allowed, and I'm glad to see that 81% of the students have been able to answer it correctly. That's a good number, and I'm pretty happy about the fact that all those who are answering, almost I think 200, around 197 has answered till the time this video is being prepared, right? So out of 197 answers, 81% answered it correctly. How many students are there? 81%. That means almost 160 students have answered it correctly. That's brilliant. But yes, there will be some tough things that will be coming up, so we do not have to be overconfident in the things that, okay, we are able to answer 1 or 2 MCQs, we are really confident about the things. No, right? So you have to keep your preparations on the pace. But one thing, again I am repeating it, please show some energy, share with all your friends, and do hit the like button on this video, right? That is small things are encouraging for us. If you people are not going to do that, then I think we might have to discontinue it, right? So see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.